What's up, team? First, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So yes, you're going to see this face on multiple videos because I thought, you know what, I have time today. Let me just do all the unboxing that I needed to do. So I didn't want the video to be super long, so that's why I didn't make like one video and do all the unboxing. It's gonna be too much. So I thought, let me just make separate videos and keep it shorter. So I'm back again with another unboxing. This is also another boot unboxing that I picked up from Zalando, and this is more lower. The last video I did of the other unboxing, it was a higher. The boot has a little bit of heels, but this one is a lower boot. So this one I haven't really opened it yet. I haven't really seen anything. As you guys can see, it's closed. So let's open it together. I'm just going to take this and yep, throw this away. Later on we'll clean. So when you open, okay, first let me go. Put this one aside. This one is the receipt with my address. So this is what the boots is looking like. Okay, this one comes, I thought it was gonna have like a brand name, nothing. Okay, so this is what the boot looks like. This what it does when you open the box from Zalando. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's open it. Ooh, I'm excited. I was actually looking for something like this in white, but I cannot find. Yes, this is so nice. I love boots like this, even though it is a designer boot, but there's no name on it. That's how I like shoes. I don't really like when I'm wearing shoe and it has like there's some shoes that have names that have the logo on it, which I really don't mind. It has to be like small, not like too bling, not too much. I love the fact that this you cannot see anything. This is from the brand called L37. I don't know if you're familiar with this brand, and they really have some really nice shoes. Their shoes are always very unique, like really nice, and also a little bit on the pricey side. But I really like this, so I picked this one also, size 41, and I was looking for something like this. I wanted like a high boots, but I wanted something low with no heels, but with something strong that you can actually wear also in the winter season, because I love the grip on the bottom when you wear it. It's like has a really nice grip, so you can actually wear this in the winter as well. And this is what this one looks like. What is the other one? And this is the other one. So I really like it. I really like it. I've already saw the pictures on the website. I've seen photos of the models wearing it, so I already know what to expect. And I really like it. It's beautiful. It's nice. I love the design. I love the fact that it's like I love this bumpy. I don't know if you know me. I like boots, and I like boots that has like this heavy bottom. I don't know, I just liked it. Like, it's beautiful, and black is definitely my favorite color. So yeah, so now I've shown you guys what these boots look like. Let's try it on. Let's put it on, and let me show you guys what it looks like when I put it on. I already have an idea of my head on how I want to style all of this. Before ever I purchase any outfit, I already have an idea. I already had like a picture in my head of a particular one or two or three outfit that I know that I can style it with. And if I want to wear it multiple times, I definitely going to watch on Pinterest or on YouTube or Pinterest, and I look there for ways to style outfits. But most of my outfits is black, so black is very easy to style. So yeah, so now let me show you guys what this one looks like on me and how it feels, because I've never really tried this one yet. So let's try it on and see how it looks, how it feels. Don't just walk around the living room and see how it's moving. So I've already put this one on. I just wanted to see how it looks like. I really like it. This is very comfortable. When you're walking, you really have like a really nice grip on the floor. Like, I really loved it. I loved it. It's also a little bit above the knee, just like the other boot that I tried. And I love also the fact that it holds me, but it's not like super tight, but it stays like this, and I really like it. So now let me just put both of them on, and let's see how the right foot also feels like. Ooh, I know I have so many black shoes. It's ridiculous how much black shoes I have anyway. But yeah, this is so comfortable. This is that kind of boot that when I want to really dress up and still go outside with my kids, I can definitely wear something like this and be like the mommy, the sexy, beautiful mommy, and all black and something. And I could definitely wear this one with the kids outside. I really loved it. It's so comfortable, and you have a lot of space. Maybe because of the legging thing I'm wearing is not like super thick, so you have like a lot of space inside. And I really like it. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Now I'm just wearing a dress, but definitely you can style this in so many ways. There's so many ways for you to style it. It's so beautiful. I love the leather. I love the material. I love the finished touch. It's just so soft, so beautiful. Yeah, if you guys want to see me like how I style all of this, it's like, for example, I'm ready to go out, how I will style it, follow me on Instagram, because mostly on Instagram is where you will see I'll post pictures of outfits. So follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of outfits or how I style certain outfits. My Instagram name is AmifullestBeauty. I'll leave it for you guys in the description box. So check me out on Instagram. So far so good. I really loved it. Yeah, just if we walking around. I love the grip. For me, the grip is everything. I love the grip. This is perfect for in the winter. I love the fact that it has a lot of space inside, even though yes, it's a size bigger, but that's what I like about it. So I can definitely like put some really thick socks on in the winter, and it's really nice. Maintenance is very easy to maintenance this stuff. They're very easy. Don't put it on just put it in a place where you know that the breeze will come in, you know. So don't put it somewhere where it's very hot or very cold. If not, that the piece will break out. But yeah, so far I really like it. Team Fullest, let me know what you think. I'll also try and leave the link for you guys in the description box. I'll put the price also for you guys on the video, somewhere in the video, because I can't remember how much I purchased it, because I bought it now for a while now, and it's just been standing in the living room. And so yeah, so this is it. Hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, heel erg bedankt voor de liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox. Of vergeet niet mij een bericht te sturen. Mijn telefoonnummer staat ook in de beschrijvingsbox. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Peace out. Bye.